My name is Dominique Ebrard. I am the technical manager of the FIM, the Fédération Internationale de Motocyclisme, International Technical Commission. Here you are in the new FIM Tech Lab. Here we are developing all the technical contents, the technical seminars for the national federations, for the chief technical steward, for the technical instructors. Here the Tech Lab is divided in three main rooms. What you can see behind is the main workshop. So here we are dealing with all the standard mechanical interventions that we are doing on the motorcycles, disassembling of the bikes. Afterwards, the second room is the metrology room, or what we call the engine room, where we disassemble the engine parts, and where we are performing all the metrology operations. Last but not least, the third room is the electronic and electric room, where we are developing all the electronic devices, the motherboards, the wiring loom, sensors, connectors that we're gonna implement and use in our different championships. When we have developed this project of a new FIM Tech Lab, we investigate and we choose 3D beta for the furnitures, for the equipment of all the furnitures and also the tools to equip our lab. What is nice with 3D beta solutions is that we had the opportunity to custom-made all the dimensions and also to custom-made the identity by the colors that we choose to equip our furniture. As you can see on behind, the blue is the FIM identity color. Additionally, I will say that all the tools provided by 3D beta are definitely the best that we can offer to our stewards, to our technical director also, and the participants of our technical seminars to work in the best technical environment, to be trained, to be tested, and to learn about technical activities of what we are doing inside the FIM.